All right, I'm going to show you guys how to put your shop on vacation mode inside of Etsy. Vacation mode is good because you can basically pause all of your listings if you go away, so they're not sitting in backlog and then people are mad because they're not getting their orders in time. Just keep in mind that when you do vacation mode, it will take all your listings out of search, so people will not see them in search, will not be able to find them, hence will not be able to buy. Also, the downside of that is it's taking them out of search. So when you come back from vacation mode, turn it back on, your listings will have to be recategorized, re-ranked, all that stuff with the algorithm. So it could be detrimental to your shop. It could help you or hurt your shop. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it and give you an alternative to vacation mode if you want to do it that way. But let's dive in and show you how to turn on vacation mode now. All right, what you want to do is go into your shop. This is pretty easy, and then we'll go down to settings here, and then we are going to hit the options tab, and then here you will see at the top a vacation mode tab. We'll hit the vacation mode, and you can toggle your vacation mode on or off. And you can also have an announcement that puts basically when your shop is on vacation mode, it'll scroll an announcement if someone goes directly to your shop via the URL or a link, a past link. You can put like, hey, I'm on vacation, I'll be back on this day. You can have a message auto reply. So when someone messages you through the app asking you a question, it'll auto reply with your message like, hey, I'm on vacation, I'll respond as soon as possible. Usually you would still want to try and respond to these people, especially if you have the app on your phone. It's pretty easy. Responding to people as soon as possible is always good, but I get it. If you're on vacation, you're going to be limited time as you should be because it's vacation. So that's just two ways that you can do it and set up your messages. Now, some people are kind of leery about saying that they're actually quote unquote on vacation, which is totally understandable. So you don't have to say that you're on vacation. You can say that your production facility is being updated, renovated, moved. You're enhancing your shop to better serve your customers. You're revamping your shop to better serve your customers. So those are all good options to basically let them know that, hey, I'm doing this for you. It's a value add, even though you are on vacation. That's one thing that you can do. Now, the alternative to this is if you don't want to mess around with vacation mode and have it hurt your ranking in your shop and have it wait to bounce back, you can simply change your processing time. So instead of like 1 to 3 day processing, maybe you change it to 1 to 2 weeks processing. Now I know, hey, you're probably worried, okay, people are going to expect their items sooner. Well, it says Etsy is pretty in your face about the processing times and shipping times, and they will have an expected delivery date when someone goes to check out. And it's pretty easy to see. It's pretty in your face. So when you change your processing times, it'll push everything out. Worst case, someone messages you asking questions about their order. You can tell them like, hey, our shop is closed temporarily, but we'll be able to ship it out on this date. You can also add an announcement in your shop, basically letting them know like, hey, shipments are delayed until this date. Again, you can use the updating the facility, renovating, something like that. You can do the bulk edit tool inside of Etsy and add a message at the top of every single description as well, because a lot of people don't see your announcement message at the top of your Etsy page because most people are finding you in search and finding your listings only. So those are a great way just to keep people informed and just be redundant and add those extra messages in there because people don't read, they miss stuff. So you just want to make sure you're as clear as possible. I've been doing it this way for years and have never had a problem once. So I suggest if you want to try it this way instead of vacation mode or do vacation mode, either or are good solutions for you depending on your business and depending on what you want to do. Hopefully that helps you guys.